Hello friends, welcome back on my channel. If you are visiting first time, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press our notification bell. If you like this video, please do click like button and share it with your friends. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, today I'm going to demonstrate you about your Python setup on Windows, and apart from this, how you can set up your PyCharm Python editor for your development work. So guys, let's start. So first you need to download Python's latest version from Python site. As you can see, this is the link www.python.org downloads. So you from this site you can download Python's latest version 3.7.3. For Python editor, you have to download PyCharm. PyCharm is a very good editor for Python and it's totally free if you are downloading community version. So guys, I have opened this link for you. So as you can see, this is the community version and you have to download this community version. So guys, I have already downloaded both these softwares. So first I will install Python 3.7.3 on my Windows machine. It will take some time in installation. So after installation of Python, then we have to install PyCharm. Once installation will be completed, then we will start installation of PyCharm. So guys, installation has completed. We can close it. Now we can install PyCharm. It will take some time in installation. Now we can click run PyCharm community edition. Do not import setting. You can choose any theme. So we two options are there, light theme and dark theme. So I will choose light theme and I can click escape remaining and set defaults. Now we have to create new project. Here I can select the name of my first project. So let's give it first. We can click these two options. You can see it's automatically selecting my Python 3.7. So now you have to click just create. So guys, as you can see, our project has been created. Now we have to create our first Python program here. So you need to select Python file. Let's say first. Now you have to click. We can see this run icon here. So you need to click this run. So guys, you can see it generated our output hello world. So it's very easy and simple to set up Python on your machine and this PyCharm editor on your Windows. So guys, let's enjoy coding. Thanks for watching this video. Please encourage me by subscribing this channel. If you like this video, then please like and share it with your friends. If you want me to create video on any particular topic, you can comment for it. Thank you so much.